Hello and welcome back. If you're just joining me, my name is Hun. My channel is all about making better coffee at home. So let's talk about what is the best espresso machine under $600 from Amazon. The Breville just lowered the price last couple of days. It must be last couple of days because Breville Barista Express is my top of my list. They just lowered to $5.99. That's really good price. And then also Breville Infuser. That's my second choice. That's just lowered to $4.99. I recall last week they're selling for like $5.79, so they dropped the price for the. I think this is a limited time offer, so don't quote me on that. But if you can, if you're looking for espresso machine right now, make sure really think about getting Breville Barista Express. Here's the reason why. So you have a lot of options under 600 bucks. For example, Gaza Classic Pro. That's the 58 millimeter photo filter. That's kind of like commercial grade. They're selling for between $450 and $500. But with that machine, you have to buy a separate coffee grinder. That it can be costly. Okay, you're looking at the decent grinder. You're looking at $200 and $250. They push over $600 range there. So you're looking around between $650 and $700. So if you're looking for like entry level espresso machine, if you have a limited budget, I think the $600 is kind of like sweet spot for most of us out there. So this is a good option for that as well, because the Barista Express built-in grinder is the same quality as the Barista Smart Grinder Pro. Okay, they are exactly the same internally, same burst size. Only thing lack of is a grinder setting from the Smart Grinder. Smart Grinder has a lot more options. Comes to the grinder size. Barista Express built-in grinder setting is 1/316. So this is just made for good espresso. Let's talk about other espresso machines. You could get like $100 machines, $300 $100 machine from Amazon. But you know what? I mean, you guys are going to use for a few days and they're not that great, okay? The only espresso machine I trust and I don't mind buying personally, Breville Infuser is fantastic. The Duo Temp and Gaza Classic, they're all under $600 range there. But Breville Barista Express comes with a built-in grinder, so this is kind of like complete package. If you ask me about 3-4 years ago, maybe I go with the infuser and separate grinder. But now in 2020, the 54 millimeter they are using, you could get right now bottomless portafilter. People come up with the 3D dosing funnel. What else? You got the distribution tool and combo units. This distribution tool for 54 millimeter, you can get one for like 15-16 bucks on Amazon now. And they even come up with dosing rings. So comes to tools wise, it's not like 2-3 years ago. Now you have various type of tools you can play with. So that's not an issue anymore. Before, at the time when I got into espresso about 3 years ago, there's no tools like this. If it did, you have to pay a lot of money for it, over $100. For now, you can get one for between $40 and $60. Very affordable. You know what, enough talking. You know what, let's pull the shot here and then let me show you what this can do. The espresso looks wonderful. The latte looks pretty decent this time, okay? The latte art somewhat questionable, but it's really good. So let's try this. Cheers. It's fantastic, guys. You know what? Better with, I'm gonna get a shot of caramel syrup. I like to just do 1 pump. It's gonna be really, really tasty. Here we go, cheers. Perfect. So overall, making coffee experience, Breville Barista Express is very enjoyable. Okay, so this is somewhat a semi-manual, so you have a lot of control with the quality of the shot, the grinder size. So if you're planning on making, coffee as your hobby, this is really good, well made, so far very reliable. It's been proven, and for the price, $600, can't beat it. Anyway, I hope you guys like this video. If you have any questions regarding Breville Barista Express, leave me in the comment. I'm gonna put all the link down below it as well. And then make sure, don't forget to follow me on Instagram. And then see you guys next time.